Meaning of extractor.
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 Extractor. An extractor typically refers to a tool or program designed to extract information or data from a source. This can include text, images, audio, or other types of digital media. The resulting output is often a structured format that can be analyzed or used in other applications. Extractors are commonly used in web scraping, data mining, and natural language processing tasks. They provide a way to automatically collect and organize large amounts of data in a systematic way, allowing for more efficient analysis and decision-making.